Today, I'm looking for miniatures in a town called Pátzcuaro, Michoacán. It is located in the country of Mexico. These miniatures are superb quality and they are unique.
This is the first set of furniture that I was given as a gift about 20 years ago. What I liked about them is that they had a rustic look. They came unfinished. Some of the pieces have already been stained, but not very nicely. I'm going to redo them at one point. This part right here is broken, but this was the living room set. This was part of the dining set. What I liked about them is that all of the doors open. And then the drawers, I can actually store things in here. I have the plates and the cutlery. And these are the chairs. Unfortunately, at one point the table got lost or broken. I don't know what happened. I always suspected that this furniture came from somewhere in Mexico, but I didn't know exactly from where. These are the pieces from the bedroom set. And it has an actual mirror, which is really nice. And again, all of the drawers open and I can put things in here. And this is the armoire. And these are the night tables. And from this room, the bed was missing. I don't know what happened to it, but I have this set with one piece missing, and that was the case with all of the rooms in the house. One piece was missing. This is the bathtub. And this is the commode. And as you can see, we have already painted some of this. We added a little plug with a chain and a little hardware to make it look like the drain. And this is the medicine cabinet. And again, it has real mirror. And I suppose that this was the bath mat. So once you get out of the bath, you step on here. This is the towel rack to be mounted on the wall. And then a little stool right here. And then this is the clothes hamper. And from this room, the piece that was missing was the sink. But I decided to give the sink from the kitchen over to the bathroom. So by doing that, now I have the bathroom complete. And so when I went to the town where I found the furniture and I realized that they were exactly the same, then I decided to buy the kitchen and bring it here, compare it to the rest of my items to see if it matched the scale, and they do. And again, I have all the drawers that come out, and they're very rustic, they're unfinished, but that'll give me an opportunity to paint them and get them to the colors that I want. So this would be kind of like a butcher's rack or just a kitchen cabinet. This is the stove. The kitchen sink, and this is the working area, countertop. And this is a prep table, a small table that goes in the kitchen, and the two chairs. And this is a rack for the towels. And there is even a bar. And the bar opens from back here to accommodate the glasses and the drinks. And then these are the bar stools. And then I'm coming back to the bedroom, since now I have the bed that goes with it. Of course, this is new, these are old, but it won't be different once I finish with the varnishing, painting, finishing them, whatever I have to do. Nobody will know that they're from 20 years apart. They were made by the same craft people because the style is very similar. And I have this for the blankets at the foot of the bed. So this is my collection from furniture and finished wood furniture that came from Mexico, the place that I showed you at the beginning. And I have a complete set for the entire house. This is my complete collection. Now that I know that the furniture that I found recently are the same scale and made by the same company, I can go back and purchase the pieces that I am missing, such as my dining table. And then I can have fun finishing them. Thank you so much for watching.